Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this NFL team rankings filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. To get this effect, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and here search for NFL teams ranking. Okay, so our many filters, we are going with the fourth one with 126.3k videos. Tap there. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for NFL teams rank filter. Okay, so here also you will see many effects. We are going with the second one. This is the most popular one. Okay, now here on the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this NFL ranking filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.